Okay, today I am going to discuss about the auto transformer and three-phase connections of transformer. Okay, what is the auto transformer? So first of all, actually in a normal practical transformer there is a two windings, but in a auto transformer only one winding transformer. Okay, the difference between the auto transformer and normal transformer is the auto transformer is only one winding transformer. Normal transformer means there is a two windings, primary winding and secondary winding. Auto transformer means the low voltage coil is essentially placed on the top of the high voltage coil, okay, and called as series coil. This connection is called as an auto transformer, and it can be used for a step up and step down transformer. Okay, this auto transformer is used for the step up and step down transformer. What is the advantage of auto transformer and disadvantage of auto transformer? The advantage of auto transformer is high power rating, and the cost is very less. The efficiency is more and low exciting current. And again, voltage regulation is better. Okay, and the disadvantages are larger short circuit current is available and no isolation between the primary and secondary winding. The most useful for relatively small voltage changes. Okay, this is the main disadvantage of auto transformer. Okay, the auto transformer as are one winding transformer. This is only one winding. This is a primary winding. This is called as a secondary winding. Okay, this part is called as a primary winding. This part is called as a secondary. Only one winding transformer. They are often used for the transmission and sub transmission transapplications. The primary and secondary are not isolated from each other. If the secondary are neutral, it's common to the primary neutral. Okay, and is open and any reason for the full primary voltage could be appear on the secondary side of the discharge results. This is unsafe condition would result of the people as well as damage the low voltage and protected device equipments. For this reason, auto transformer never used for the failed transmission and distribution substation. Okay, this is used for the only small applications and practical applications. The ideal transformer relationships are approximately true for ideal auto transformer as well as isolation of the transformers. Okay. The practical applications are of a transformer, the connecting the transmission lines of slightly different voltages, 1 kV and 130 kV, and compensating the for voltage drops and longer feeder circuits, and providing the variable voltage control in the laboratory, and changing the 208 to 240 and 240 to 208, and adjusting the output voltage of a transformer and keep the system voltage constant. But these two, this is a diagrams of all transformers. Okay, this is a laboratory transformer. This is a cover removed so the coils and siding of the conduit. Okay, these all transformers used for the any lab applications, practical applications. Okay, this is a auto transformer rating and rating advantages. Okay, the S1 is VA rating of isolated of transformer, and SA equal to VA of isolated primary transformer. Okay. The next one is three-phase transformers. Okay, these are some diagrams of three-phase transformers. One is single-phase transformer used for the small applications, small voltage. But three-phase transformer is constructed by winding three single-phase transformers in a single core. But okay, in a single-phase transformer only one winding as primary and secondary. But in here, three single-phase transformers. Three single-phase are connected in only single core. These three-phase transformers are connected in either delta or star connections. Okay, this is a diagram of three-phase transformer construction. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There are three windings. Okay, this is part as called as a primary. This one is called as a secondary winding. Okay, the black wire is also primary winding. Primary winding. Black wire is called secondary winding. Black wire is called primary winding. Red wire is called secondary winding. Okay, this is a primary and basic. This is a diagram of three-phase transformers. What is the basic principle of the three-phase transformers? Which primary winding have been shown in the interconnected in a star. The output across the three-phase supplies. Okay, the total voltage, the three windings are connected, interconnected in star, interconnected in star. The output across the three-phase supplies. The three core are 120 degrees. This one, this core and this core between the angle is 120 degrees. Okay, and their empty legs are shown in the constant with each other. The central leg are formed by these three and carry the flux produced by the three phase currents RY, RB, and IR. Okay, IR and IY and IB. So three phases RYB. So R current and Y current and B current equal to 0. So some of the three phase fluxes are 0. So flex R, flex S, flex Y. Okay. Therefore, if known differences in the common leg will act as the return from the third. So just as the three phase of the system, two conductors acts as return from the current in the third conductor. Okay. This is a basic structure of three phase transformer. This is above of the winding is primary and down of the winding is secondary winding. This is the three similar limbs are connected to by the top and bottom wires. Each limb having a primary and secondary windings. Okay, this is a primary. This limb has a primary winding and secondary winding. This limb also primary and secondary. This is also primary and secondary are arranged conductively. The primary is shown in the star, connected in the secondary is delta connected. Okay, the primary winding is connected to the star and the secondary is connected to the delta wire. Okay, this is the air core. The base structures of the coils are based on the structure on the two types. The first one is air core, the second one is open core. The air core inside air of the coil is empty, insufficient conduction. The open core is permanent ferromagnetic materials inside of the coil. Flux density is decreased. And the third one is closed core. The fourth one is cell type. Okay. This is the transformers. This is a three-phase core transformer. Again, three transformer can as per based on the construction. There are two types: core transformer and cell type transformers. This is a core type. This diagram is cell type transformer. Okay. The leading of transformer is terminal. There are the HV side of the each phase will be able to the capital list A and B and C. Okay, and okay, now the transformer connections. There are only four possible transformer combinations. The first one is delta to delta, and delta to Y, and delta Y to delta, and Y to Y. These four combinations. There are only four possible combinations of three-phase transformers: delta to delta, delta to Y, and Y to delta, Y to Y. Okay, delta to delta combination of transformers usually for the industrial applications. And delta to Y. The most common combination of the transformer is delta to Y. Okay, the commercial complex used for the commercial complex and industrial complexes, and Y to delta high voltage transmissions. Okay, Y to Y. This is not used for any applications. Just we talking about theoretically, but practically not used. Okay, don't use the cosmic of harmonics and balancing the problems. Okay, this Y to Y combination of Y to Y three-phase transformer is not usually you're talking about only critically, practically not usually. The first one is star to star and delta to delta. Okay, star to star, delta to delta, star to star, and delta to star. Okay, this is a three-phase transformer. This is primary winding. This is a primary winding. This is a secondary winding. The primary winding is three cores: core A, core B, core C. Okay, the delta secondary side delta and interconnected delta and interconnected star. The first one is star connection. Okay. The first one is star connection. The primary winding. Okay. This diagram is connected to the as well remodification by the star. This is called as a star connection. The only nodal point combination of the 3 points is nodal point. Okay. And one delta connection means the one ending is connected to the one more starting. Okay, the starting end is connected to the ending end. The ending end is connected to the starting end. Okay, this is a delta connection. Okay, three phase Y connected to the transformer. This is a Y connected to the transformers. Okay, this is a three windings. 1, 2, 3. Three windings go to the supply. Okay, 1 voltage, 2 and 3. This is a star connected. Okay. This is a star connected. The no, each transformers. Okay, this is point is one phase. This is one phase. This is one more phase. This is a neutral. Okay, and star to delta. The equation of star to delta opens our primary side. In star to delta, the in primary side the line voltage and phase voltage both are same. But means the voltage current is same, but voltage is different. Vfs equal to line by root 3, and VL equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. The secondary side the same. I phase equal to line current, but V2 phase equal to line voltage by root 3. Output power equal to root 3 into VLI cos pi. Transmission loss equal to K equal to V1 by V2, I2 by I1. Okay, and this is called star to delta connections. Okay, this is called star to delta. The next one is star to star. Star to star, this connection is most economically for small high voltage transmission transformers because of the number of turns or phase of winding insulation minimum. Okay. The next one is star to star connections. Okay. This is a star to star connections. Next one is delta to delta connection. Delta to delta connection is not used for any practical applications. Economically for large and low voltage transformer, which is the input to insulation problems, it is not so urgent because of increasing number of turns and phases. Okay, there is delta to delta connections. Okay, star to star. This is a this connection is sufficient. Third army control of secondary lines. There is no phase shaft between the primary and secondary winding. And delta to delta connection has a no harmonic problem. There is no phase shift from primary to secondary. There is only disadvantage with respect to Y connection. So delta insulation class must be on line insulated by the next one. Okay, star to star and delta to star. Okay, thank you.